Today's video, we're going to be going over why email marketing is essential for your business and brand in 2023. First, let me intro you to what email marketing is. Now, if you are doing business to business, this video is not for you. If you're doing consumer brands, if you're emailing out to your customers, this video is for you. So all those promotion emails you get, those emails that you open about sales, this is what we're going to be talking about today. So when we look at some of the brands and the emails, I think you're thinking, how do I get this? How do I capture an audience and get them to want to open my email? So first, let's go over the power of why email marketing is so important. So number one, high ROI, return on your investment. This is what you want. You want a high ROI when you're out there building a brand or building a business of any sort. You want to put in $1 and get out $5, $10, whatever it is. This is why email marketing is so important. Unlike social media, this is where you can really get value for your customers, because instead of trying to trick an algorithm, trying to do this, you're directly messaging your customers. So when you're doing this, for example, let's say you're emailing a customer A, you've collected their information on your website or through a social media campaign, you now have their email. With that email, how much can you generate from it? So for some brands, it's you put in $1, you make $42 from that one email. From that one person, that's how much you can make. So before you start doing social media, before you start doing all this, I think email marketing is very important for your brand. I have a brand myself, and I generate over 50% of all revenue just through email marketing alone. We do no paid advertising. It is all email marketing. But I will say there is a caveat. You do not want to spam your customers. You want to target them. You want to make sure that this is all going to their inbox. The targeted attack, like I said before, you don't want it to go to spam. You don't want to spam them at all. You want to make sure this is something they want to open, they want to click, and they might want to purchase something from you. So first, you want to target your attack. You want to make sure that when you're making your list or looking at your customers, you want to see what their interests are, what the behavior is, how often do they purchase, what are the conversion rates on your website. And there'll be other videos we're going to go through that I'm going to explain it all, but I think this is why it's so important. Once you have a list, you can make segments. So little like saying, hey, Mike purchased this, and then 45 days later, he has not purchased. So I'm going to set up an automation that can then trigger an email to go out to Mike and say, hey, Mike, you haven't purchased in 45 days. Why don't you come back? Maybe I'll give you a discount. And you can do this for every single person that qualifies in that 45-day window of not emailing. And I think something like this can be very powerful for a brand that, say, is just not able to get past like a certain mark. Maybe you can't get past 20,000 a month. Maybe you can't get past 30,000 a month. This could really help you capture a lot more customers that just drifted away, maybe forgot about you. This is how you can remind them. Number three, the value in this, I can't even describe. You get emails all the time. You get people trying to, hey, Mike, open up your email. I have this offer for you. You don't want to do that. You want to offer them value. So to me, the biggest thing when I'm making emails, and I do emails for other clients and I do emails for my own brands, I always try to offer the value. What are you offering them? Don't try to get something from them. Just offer them the value. What is that? You can personalize it to, hey, I saw that you ordered this type of drink. I'm going to suggest you this one because I think this one's really important. Or I'm going to suggest you this one because this one is something you might actually like. This is a flavor that you might like. So I'm going to suggest it to you. But not only am I going to suggest it, I'm going to give you more information on it. And this all can be automated. Everything can be automated. That's why it's so important to just get set up and get going with it. And you can also measure all the results. So if Mike doesn't open the email in 45 days, what's going on with Mike? Should we follow up with him? Should we offer him another discount? Should we reach out and do something with future campaigns? Or maybe he's not interested in that. You can track it all. Click-through rates, conversion rates, just everything can be data-driven. And that's what's great about email marketing. You own the data. That is the value in this altogether. You owning the value is something that you can't say with Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or whatever else it is. Even in print ads on a billboard or something like that, you cannot own that data that you don't know who drove by that billboard, who opened up your email, and who wants to buy something from your company, because you have the data to back it up. That's what I got for you today. That is why it's so important. So get started with it. There's other videos here if you want to watch on how to set up email marketing, how to target people. I personally use Klaviyo. I think it's a great app. It integrates really well with Shopify and WooCommerce. Super important. So check out superstartupclub.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Recommend it to your friends. Send this to a friend. Have them start a business today. This is Super Startup Club.